In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the voiceover laugh in ElevenLabs. This is a fun and engaging way to add a touch of humor and character to your audio projects. Before we dive into the steps, don't forget to use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. This helps support our channel and provides you with access to the amazing features ElevenLabs offers. Now, let's get started. When you begin generating your audio using text-to-speech in ElevenLabs, it's essential to choose the V3 model. The V3 model is highly recommended because it allows you to integrate different tags within your text. This gives you an enhanced ability to convey a variety of expressions, bringing a richer, more controlled output to the audio generated. The model's flexibility in handling emotions is what makes it stand out, especially when you're aiming to add personality or humor to your voiceovers. Once you've selected the V3 model and are ready to input your text, adding laughter is straightforward. All you need to do is insert the tag laughing or laughs directly into your text. To do this, simply place the word within opening and closing square brackets. This notation tells the system that you want the voice to mimic laughter at that point in the dialogue. By doing so, you effectively signal the voiceover to incorporate a laugh, adding a lighthearted touch to your project. This simple addition can make a significant difference, especially if you're creating content that benefits from a more conversational and lively tone. Whether you're working on a podcast, a video narration, or any project that could use a dash of humor, making the voiceover laugh can create a more engaging and human-like interaction, and that's really all there is to it. Just remember, select the V3 model for its wide range of expressiveness and add the laughing tag within square brackets in your text. These steps are the key to making your voiceover more dynamic and emotionally rich. Implement this technique and watch how laughter can transform the mood and style of your audio projects. It's a small tweak, but it can leave a lasting impact on your audience's experience. So go ahead and try this out on your next project. We hope this technique becomes a valuable tool in your creative arsenal. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy creating.